Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this tutorial. For this pattern we need to have multiple of 4 plus 1. What we have to do, we are going to start by make some chain. As I told you, it has to be multiple of 4 plus 1. When we make some chain, we are going to start by make a single crochet in each of chain. I'm going to take the loops at the back to make a single crochet in each chain until the end of the row. It's up to you if you want to start to make a single crochet in the chain in front, but I take it the back loops because I think it's gonna be give us a beautiful edge here. As you can see here, I finished the first row, or maybe set of row, and I have multiple of 4 plus 1. What we have to do, we are going to return the work. I insert my hook in the first one. I make 1 single crochet, then I chain 2. This one consider as a edge for beginning. What we have to do, we are going to skip the next one, insert my hook in the second one, and make 1 double crochet, but I'm not going to finish it. Again, I make another double crochet, and in the next chain also I make 1 double crochet. So now when I have 4 loops, I'm going to make all together. Now, and then make 1 chain. Now it's time to in this loop between, I'm going to grab the yarn 3 or 4 times. It really depends on your yarn, but in this case I'm going to grab third 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to knit all together. This is going to be repeat by insert the hook in the same stitch for the first double crochet but not finish it. Take the next one and the third one. So now I have again 4 loops. I'm going to make all together and make 1 chain. Again, in a space between here, we start to grab the yarn 3rd time, and then I'm going to knit all together like that. Let's do it again. Insert your hook here in the same stitch for the last one. this is the way we are going to do the first row. We will continue until the end of the row and I'll be back. I already finished the first row. As you can see here, I have only one stitch left. What we have to do, we're going to make one double crochet at the end, like the first one we made in the beginning. This pattern is only 2 row repeat. What you have to do, you turn your work, insert the hook in the first one and make 1 single crochet. Then you have to take the chain, as you can see here on the top. We are going to make single crochet on the top of each chain until the end of the row. You have to take the chain on the top and make single crochet. Continue that one until the end of the row. I already finished that row. Just when it comes to the last one, you have to also take the chain on the top of the last one, and when it comes to the beginning, also make sure you make 1 single crochet. The key here is make sure all of the stitches is the same as the row 1. What we have to do for next row, as I told you, is gonna be repeat these 2 rows just by make single crochet, 2 chain, and we are going to skip that one and start to make 1 double crochet. As you can see here, the one, it has to be exactly the one here. It has to be exactly in the same direction of this. Then take 3 together, make 1 chain, and then start to grab the yarn, 3rd time, and this is the first one. Let's do it one more time. I insert my hook here, make a double crochet but not finish. Then you have 4 loops. Just make them together and 1 chain. Then grab the yarn, 3rd, 1, 2, and 3, and take all together like this. And we're going to repeat until the end of the row. And for next row again, we make a single crochet. If you repeat that pattern after few rows, you're going to have this beautiful pattern. As you can see, front side and back side are almost the same, and I used the yarn, colorful yarn, but it's up to you. You can decide to have another color. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching and have a great day.